Well, news just coming in. Sources have told headlines today that after the Maharashtra election results, the Shiv Sena will be asked to leave the Modi government at the centre unless the Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray apologizes for calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi a chaiwala. Executive Editor Javed Ansari joins me live from the national capital. Javed, it appears that the BJP stand on Uddhav Thackeray has been emboldened in the light of the exit poll surveys last evening.
Well, certainly we are given to understand that the BJP will ask the Shiv Sena, provided the BJP wins this election, they will ask the Shiv Sena to quit the government, which in effect means that the Sena's lone representative in the government, Union Minister Mr. Anand Gite, will have to resign as minister. The BJP is extremely cut up with the kind of remarks that have been made, likening the Prime Minister to a chaiwala and, describing him as Afzal Khan. This has not gone down well with Mr. Narendra Modi and the higher-ups within the BJP, and therefore they are waiting for the result, for the election results to come. And if the BJP wins, it will in all likelihood ask the Shiv Sena to leave.
But in the light of the numbers that the exit polls have revealed last evening, Javed, it doesn't appear that the BJP can in fact form the government on its own. And the next big challenge is going to be to hunt for allies. So in the light of that, is it then perhaps the wisest strategy to completely alienate their previous ally, Shiv Sena?
That's why they have said that in case they win, they might then decide to ask Mr. Anand Gite to leave the government. They are not announcing it right away, perhaps keeping that scenario in mind. As far as whether they will win or not, everything will be known on Sunday, and how they will, and if they fall short, there are other options also available to the BJP. There will be a lot of other independents who will win. There are other smaller parties who may decide to support them.
Well, absolutely. Several permutations and combinations will be worked out in a post-poll scenario. But just focusing on what sources have in fact told you, Javed, it is that particular comment where Uddhav Thackeray had called Prime Minister Narendra Modi a chaiwala that seems to have not gone down well with the BJP.
Well, it's not that may be the immediate provocation, but even likening him to Afzal Khan and all the other personalized attacks that were made. Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, editorials in the Samna, all this has been building up, and this chaiwala, the latest comment, appears to be the proverbial last straw.